said sing, 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 sing. Everybody start to sing, la-di-da, oh. Now you're singing with the swing. When the music goes around, everybody goes down. Here is something you should know, oh baby, oh, oh. Sing, 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 sing. Everybody start to sing, la-di-da, oh. Now you're singing with the swing, dip-a-dap-dap-dap-dap, dip-a-dip-bap-bap, dop-dop-dop, dip-a-dip-bap-bap, dip-a-dap, dip-a-dap, dip-a-dip-bap-bap, dop-dop-dop, dip-a-dip-bap-bap, skippity-bap-bap-bap-bap-bap, dip-a-dap, dip-a-dap, dip-a-dip-bap-bap, whoa, 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 na-na-na-na-na, dop-dop-dop, dip-a-dip-bap-bap. Hey! Everybody start to sing, la-di-da, oh. Now you're singing with the swing. I said sing, 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 sing. Everybody start to sing, la-di-da, oh. Now you're singing with the swing. When the music goes around, everybody goes to town. Here is something you should know, oh baby, oh, oh. Sing, 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 sing. Everybody start to sing, la-di-da. Now you're messing with the swing. How we doing, folks? We go by the name of the Swing Cats. Round of applause for Eric before us. A round of applause for Eric. Okay, folks, welcome to the story of swing. Please allow us to take you back to 1929 to a song made famous by Mr. Fred Astaire. This one is called Putting on the Ritz. If you're blue and you don't know what to go to, why don't you go where fashion sets? Put on the Ritz. Different types of wear the coats, gold pants with stripes and cutaway cuts, perfect fit. Put on the Ritz. Dress up like $1 million trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. Super duper. Let's mix where Rockefellers walk with sticks and umbrellas in the mix. Put on the Ritz. Let's go for a walk, boy. Why don't you go where fashion sets? Put on the Ritz. Different types who wear the coats, gold pants with stripes and cutaway cuts, perfect fit. Put on the Ritz. Dressed up like $1 million trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. Super duper, come let's mix where Rockefellers walk with sticks and umbrellas in the mix. Putting on the Ritz. you, folks. We're only getting warmed up. Thank you very much, folks. This is a very romantic song. And it's going to be played by a very romantic man. Some of you might know this man, Mr. Charco Bernard. He plays the piano, he sings, and he drinks. This is called The Way You Look Tonight, and everywhere around the country we play this. We dedicate it to, wait for it, all the women in the audience. And in particular, the lovely Liz, of course. Someday, when I'm awfully low and the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight. We had a sponsored walk. Yeah. Yes, you're lovely with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you and the way you look tonight. Yeah. All right. With each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Lovely, never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you and the way you look tonight. Yeah. Huh. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose touches my foolish heart. Lovely, never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you and the way you look tonight. Just the way you look tonight. Just the way you look tonight. Thank you very much, folks. Thank you very much. Now, if we may, we might take you to the 1940s and 50s and to a few characters, such as this man here, Mr. Louis Prima. Just a gigolo, and everywhere I go, people know the part I'm playing. Pay for evidence, sell any torments. Oh, what are they saying? And there will come a day when youth will pass away. What will they say about me? When the end comes, I know they'll say just a gigolo. Life goes on without me, but just a gigolo. And everywhere I go, people know the part I'm playing. Pay for evidence, selling torments. What are they saying? And there will come a day when youth will pass away. a gigolo. Life goes on without me, 'cause I ain't got nobody. Oh, nobody cares for me. There's nobody cares for me. I'm so sad and lonely. Sad and lonely. Oh, somebody take a chance with me, with me, with me. Let's go, boys. Hamming, bibbing, hamming, bibbing, hamming, bibbing, ha. I ain't got nobody. Oh, nobody cares for me. There's nobody cares for me. I'm so sad and lonely. Sad and lonely. Want somebody to take a chance with me, with me, with me. Hey, you see, no, no. All of the time, you can only be Zuma, 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 Zuma. I ain't got nobody. Nobody, 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 nobody. There can't be one. There won't be one. There isn't one. I never found one. But where's one? Nobody cares for me.
Let me catch my breath after that one.
Buonasera, senorita, buonasera. It's time to say goodnight to Napoli. Though it's hard for me to whisper buonasera with the moon above the Mediterranean Sea. In the morning, senorita, we'll go walking when the mountain helps the sun come into sight. By the little jewelry shop, we'll stop and linger while I buy a wedding ring for your finger. In the meantime, let me tell you that I love you. Buonasera, senorita, kiss me goodnight. Buonasera, senorita, kiss me goodnight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buonasera, senorita, buonasera. It is time to say goodnight to Napoli. Though it's hard for me to whisper buonasera with that moon above the Mediterranean Sea. In the morning, senorita, we'll go walking when the mountain helps the sun come into sight. And at a little jewelry shop, we'll stop and linger while I buy your wedding ring for your finger. In the meantime, let me tell you that I love you. Buonasera, senorita, kiss me goodnight. Buonasera, senorita, buonasera. It is time to say goodnight to Napoli. Oh, how you doing? In the morning, senorita, buonasera. With that moon above the Mediterranean Sea. In the Senorita, we'll go walking where the mountain helps the sun coming through sight. About a little jewelry shop, we'll stop and linger. Alright, while I buy your wedding ring for your finger. Wait for it, wait for it. In the meantime, let me tell you that I love. Back to the tango. Buonasera, senorita, kiss me goodnight. Buonasera, senorita, kiss me goodnight. Sera, senorita, kiss me goodnight. All right, all right.
Round of applause for our lovely dancers up the front here.
Thank you, that was great fun. Some great voices there. From the movie The Jungle Book in the mid-1950s by a man called Louis Prima and his band. While I'm the king of the swingers, the jungle VIP. I reach the top, I have to stop, and that's what's bothering me. Wanna be a man and can stroll right into town. I be just like the other man comes, I'm tired of mugging around. Oh, ooby-doo, wanna be like you, hey, wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You'll see it's true, it ain't like me. Can't learn to be you, all right. Oh yeah, keep it going. Now don't try to fool me, man, cub. I made a deal with you. And what I desire, man's red fire, so I can be like you. Give me the secret, man, cub. Clue me what to do. Give me the power, man's red fire, so I can be like you. Oh, be do, I wanna be like you. Oh, I wanna walk like you, talk like you do. You'll see it's true, it ain't like me. Can't learn to be you better. Let's go. This is the part of the show, folks, where we introduce the band. So starting on my far left, this young man on the trumpet. Give it up for Mr. Paul Kiernan. Paul Kiernan, folks. To his right and to my left, he's a bit of a messer, this man. Mr. Dave Conway. Dave Conway, come on. And this man, wrestling the bear all night. The coolest member of the group, the Sultan of Cool. On the low end. Give it up for Mr. Simon McVeigh on double bass, folks. Simon McVeigh on double bass. Beautiful. The man, the center stage at the back, holding tempo for the third year running, voted sexiest man in the group. Mr. Rock and Roll of the Swing Cats. Give it up for Mr. Dave Keegan!
the right of me, we introduced him earlier, but let's do it again.
I always dread this moment.
He plays piano, he sings, and he drinks. The most talented member of the group. Give it up for Mr. Chaga Bernard! Oh yeah. Chaga Bernard, come on folks.
This is the part where I get it back, yeah?
Keep it clean.
I'll keep it clean. Ladies and gentlemen, a massive round of applause for the man out front tonight. We call him the Dark Destroyer, Mr. Luke Thomas!
Thank you, folks. I'm the king of the swinging, the jungle VIP. I used to top, I had to stop, and that's what's been bothering me. Wanna be a man, good. Stroll right into town. I'll be just like the other man cubs. I'm tired of monkeying around. Oh, we do. I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true. Ain't like me. Can't learn to be you, man. Can't learn to be you, man. The big finish. Can't learn to be you, man. True. Hi, you folks. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. As I said earlier on, there was a couple of men that really made the Vegas era stand out, and one of them was Mr. Sammy Davis Jr. So I'm going to do one of his numbers now. Oh, geez. I might sit down if that's all right. I might get a better look upstairs. This is my dramatic moment. Can't whistle. I knew a man, Bojangles, and he'll dance for you. In worn-out shoes, silver hair, ragged shirt, and baggy pants. He would do the old of shoe. He would jump so high, then hit lightly, touch down. Told me of a time when he worked with minstrel shows, traveling throughout the South. Spoke with tears for 50 years. I was dogging him. They would travel about, but his dog up and died. Good up and died. And after 20 years, he still grieves. He said, I dance now and every chance I honk it honks. For my drinks and tips. And most of the time I spend behind these county walls. You see, son, I drink some beer. Then he shook his head. Oh Lord, when he shook his head, I remember I heard somebody saying, please, please, that's Mr. Bojangles. Calling Mr. Bojangles. Ah, Mr. Bojangles, come back and dance, yeah, and dance, yeah, and dance, please dance. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, again, Mr. Bojangles. And dance, and dance, and dance, and dance, 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 and dance, and dance, and dance. Thank you very much, folks. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! I got a sheet for my bed and a pillow for my head. I got a pencil full of lens and water for shoes on money on my coat. So much more than I needed before. Money in the meter. Heavily hit, find a pair of shoes for my feet, shelf full of books and most of them keep. They got 2 pairs of socks, a door to lock, food in my belly, lots of them. I tell it, nothing's gonna bring me down. All right. Whoa. I got a nice guitar and ties to my car. Most of my means what I'm out to see. I'm out and about, but I'm here with a shout. A fair bit of shout, we're better than that. I got food in my belly, lots of mama telling, nothing's gonna ring me down. All right. Whoa, nothing's gonna bring me down. 'Cause most of all, I got my baby. Most of all, I got my baby. She's mighty fine, she's all mine. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Let's go, boy. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go, people on the floor. Hey.